Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the geography multiple choice questions, that is part 9. Please check my playlist. You will find up to part 8 for all competitive examinations, that is SSC, CDS and MNS. As you can see, for the railway examinations it will be very useful, and also for the all defense examinations up to graduation level they are very useful. You can join me on Defense ICTA Telegram, and you can even follow the Facebook, that is ICTA space Kadri. So it's all given, whatever you want you can download it from the respective places. As you can see, we have initially in May 1998, while addressing at nuclear tests site near Pokhran, who added Jai Vigyan to the Lal Bahadur Shastri's slogan, that is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. We knew that the person Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he added the Jai Jawan Jai Kisan along with the Jai Vigyan. It has been added during the Pokhran, whatever the experiment have been taken place in Rajasthan. So we knew that Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he is the one who belongs to the BJP party. Next we have, on the banks of which river is the Jamshedpur, the steel city of India, is located. This is one thing you have to remember. Jamshed Tata, we knew that is Jamshedpur is the place which is very famous for the steel city, where maximum production of steel takes place. So it is located on the river Subarna Rekha. So please remember, it is located on the river Subarna Rekha. I want you guys to comment me on this section. This is located on which state? Next we have, which Indian city you would be in if you were standing on the world's longest railway platform? That is Gorakhpur railway station. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Gorakhpur junction looks like. This is the world's longest railway platform, which is near about 1.4 kilometers of length railway platform you will find over there. That is Gorakhpur railway station, which is in Uttar Pradesh. In 1953, which film won the first national award for the best feature film? That is Shamchi Ai. So that is the one in Marathi language it has been featured, that has won the first national award in 1953. Next we have, in his first voyage to India, at which place Vasco da Gama land on 20th May 1498. We knew that the first Portuguese have come before English. So it means we have to remember that the Portuguese one who had found the sea route to India, who had come to Calicut. At present we knew that Kozhikode has been called. So this is the place. As you can see, the King Zamorin, who was supported the Portuguese, who had come on 20th May 1498. So this is one thing you have to remember. Next we have the Vikramshila University, an ancient university of India whose ruins are situated in present day Bihar, was founded by which Pala ruler? That is Dharampala. So Vikramshila University, an ancient university of India whose ruins are situated in the present day of Bihar, was founded by, that is Dharampala. Who is the founder of Pala dynasty? That is Dharampala or Gopala. Gopala was the founder of Pala dynasty. Next we have Freedom in Exile. The book is the autobiography of which Nobel Peace Prize winner? Dalai Lama 14. We knew that he is the one from Nepal who had received the Nobel Peace Prize. He had written the book, that is Freedom in Exile. Next we have, which Indian woman athlete is popularly known as Idukki Express? That is KM Binamol has been called as Idukki Express. Now Pilavullakandi Takkavarambil Usha, she was the one who has been called as. You have to comment me in this section, what is the name of PT Usha, another name of PT Usha. Anju Bobby George, she was famous in long jump. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join me on Telegram. There are more than 800 plus question papers for various examinations. You can see how exactly it has been segregated into various playlists. You can have a look. The maximum question papers have been given. The best content you have among all the YouTubes. Next we have Hoover Medal, a prize given for outstanding extra career services by engineering to humanity, has been awarded to which Indian engineer for the year 2008. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. APJ Abdul Kalam has got the Hoover Medal, a prize given for outstanding extra career services by engineers to humanity, which has been given in the year of 2008. He had written the Ignited Minds, India Vision 2020 books have been composed by him. In international cricket, Yuvraj Singh of India is the second batsman to hit 6 sixes in an over. Who was the first batsman? That was, you should remember that Harshley Gibbs was the first one who had hit, and the second one, that is Yuvraj Singh. Next we have, on the banks of which river is the Kumbh Mela at Ujjain held? We knew that on the bank of Kshipra river at Ujjain, the Kumbh Mela had been celebrated. We knew that Prayagraj, that is Allahabad, which is in Uttar Pradesh, where Kumbh Mela, Mahakumbh Mela is celebrated. Next we have Shivakashi in Tamil Nadu is famous for which industry? That is fireworks. Please remember, whatever the firework activities in Shivakashi, which is in Tamil Nadu, which is very famous for the making of all these fireworks for the Diwali festival and other activities. To put out the fire, which gas is released by fire extinguisher? To extinguish the fire, we have to use carbon dioxide on it. Dromedary and Bactrian are the types of which animals? That is camel. As you can see to the right side, hybrid camel, high producing dairy camel, second is dual purpose camel, racing camel, and the fifth is Bactrian camel. There are various types of camels, dromedary and Bactrian. These are the two types of animals, that is camel. In which union territory of India would you meet the people of the Ongi tribe? We should remember Shompen, Ongi and Zarawan tribes you will find in the place that is Andaman Nicobar Islands. The Roman Magsaysay Award, often considered as Asia's Nobel Prize, is given in the memory of which Asian country's former president? That is Philippines. Please remember, so Roman Magsaysay Award has been conferred in the name of Philippines president. It has been, we should remember, he was the president of Philippines nation. That Roman Magsaysay Award is given for the field of, you can see, in the field of journalism. Next we have the East-West corridor. We have the North-South corridor. The East-West corridor being constructed on the National Highway Development Project, and which starts at Porbandar, Gujarat, in which will terminate at this place of in the east. As you can see to the right side, exactly how exactly it has been segregated. As you can see, from the north to south, from Jammu to Kanyakumari, is that Srinagar to Kanyakumari, that is north-south corridor. Here we can see east-west in Porbandar to Silchar. This is the place where it ends, that is east-west corridor. This is one thing you have to remember. Next we have asteroids, sometimes called minor planets or planetoids, which are generally found between which planets? We should remember that the maximum gravitational attraction force is for Jupiter. Between the Jupiter as well as Mars, we find the major asteroid belts in between these two planets. That is the reason we don't get maximum asteroids on the Earth. It is because of the Jupiter what we are safe, because in order to hit the asteroids to the Earth. By what name is the observation in good economics that bad money drives out good money, that popularly known as Gresham's law? Please remember, whatever the Gresham's law states, that the observation in economics that bad money drives out good money, that is the Gresham's law. The subatomic particle boson, Higgs boson, is named after which Indian scientist? That is Sachendranath Bose. As you can see to the right side, how exactly whatever the Higgs boson, the Big Bang Theory, LHC, Largest Hadron Collider, which is, there is a greater experiment which is going in Switzerland. You can directly go through what exactly the tunnel has been made, what they are doing it. That is the largest hadron collider. So that boson particle is named after the scientist, that is Satyendranath Bose. Next we have on 1st July 1997, where was India's first science city inaugurated? We should remember in Kolkata on 1st July 1997, India's first science city has been inaugurated. The first, what is the name of the Morarji Desai's Samadhi in Ahmedabad? We should remember whatever the burial places of the whoever the political leaders we have. Here Morarji Desai's Samadhi is located in Ahmedabad. That named is Abhay Ghat. As you can see to the right side how exactly it has been located in Ahmedabad, which is in Gujarat. In 1829, which Governor General prohibited the practice of sati? That is one thing you have to remember. Lord Auckland, Lord Amherst. Here whatever exactly has been given, the Governor General prohibited the practice of sati is Lord William Bentinck. As you can see to the right side how exactly he looks like. Sati Pradha as well as English education has been, Sati Pradha has been abolished and the English education has introduced in India by the Lord William Bentinck and supported by Raja Ram Mohan Rai also. Who authored the book Indica? Megasthenes had authored the book Indica. Next we have which is the oldest stock exchange in India? That is Bombay Stock Exchange. As you can see to the right side how exactly BSE building looks like. BSE Limited, formerly known as Bombay Stock Exchange, is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It is a stock exchange located on Dalal Street of Mumbai. The equity market capitalization of the companies listed on the BSE was, as you can see how exactly, this is the 6th largest stock exchange in Asia and the 14th largest in the world. Next we have who is the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India? That is Anil Kakodar was the chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India. Please remember this is one thing you have to involve. By defeating Harshvardhana on the banks of the river Narmada, which Chalukya ruler stopped him from expanding into south? Please remember guys, Pulakesin II. This is one thing you have to remember. By defeating Harshvardhana on the banks of river Narmada, the Chalukya ruler stopped him from expanding into south is Pulakesin II. He had stopped him from the expanding to the south. In 1892, who became the first Indian to be elected to the House of Commons? That is lower house of the British Parliament. That is Dadabhai Naoroji, who is also known as Grand Old Man of India. In 1892, who became the first Indian to be elected to the House of Commons? Please remember Dadabhai Naoroji is also known as Grand Old Man of India. Which military training institute located at Khadakwasla near Pune in Maharashtra has adopted Seva Paramo Dharma? It means the quotation, the slogan has been adopted by this institution, that is service before self, Seva Paramo Dharma. It is a motto which has been adopted by the National Defence Academy, which is located in Khadakwasla near to Pune. Which city houses the headquarters of Asian Development Bank? Please remember guys, ADB means Asian Development Bank. Which city houses the headquarters of Asian Development Bank? That is located in Manila in Philippines. You can see to the right side how exactly in Manila it looks like. This is my mobile number guys, 7667302252. You can call me or message me if you are interested to have 2100 PDF of GK and GS. I hope this slides will help you a lot in improving your knowledge. If you have any queries, you can call me on my mobile, and I am grateful to you after completing all these slides. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good life.